Hey guys, it is Yudi here and I am back with a new video. So as you can see, today we are going to play GeoGuessr. So basically, who doesn't know how to play GeoGuessr? Basically what the game does is it will fly you to any random location, and then over there, once you reach there, you can just roam around and find your way through to get the exact location. So are you guys ready to play GeoGuessr? Yeah! So as you can see on the screen, today we are going to play India. So let's just read what's written over here. It says India is a fast growing country expected to become the world's most populated country by 2024. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. Anyway, more than 700 different languages and dialects are spoken, but 22 of them are official. Brush off those Hindi skills and let's go. As if brushing off Hindi skills will let me recognize all 22 of the languages. Anyway, let's just start the game. Let's play. Okay. So what is the... oh. Seriously.
Bruh.
I don't even have to look for this because I know this is a Taj Mahal. Everyone would know this is Taj Mahal. So let's go to Agra and let's just get ourselves a little 5,000 points maybe. I guess I shouldn't have done it so fast. But still, just a 476 meters away. So I've got 4994 points, which for the first one is... That's the second one? Oh, okay. What is this? I can't really go this way, obviously. Oh. Okay. Given me a lot of vegetation and all that stuff. Rocky Mountains. Rocky Mountains mean it can't be Uttarakhand maybe because that's mainly sandy mountains. And but the problem is this doesn't really look like a mountain range to me. It looks more like those plateaus or ghats kind of a place. I think this could very well be a plateau. What can be done? You know what? I really can't waste my time here because I'm not gonna get another clue from here unless I give it a shot, but I really don't see any signage over here, so there's really no point. So what we can do is, just to secure us some points, what we can do is just put it somewhere in Maharashtra, I guess. That's where the plateau starts, I guess. Yeah. Let's just put it here and just hope for the best. Ooh. Ooh, okay. It was actually not that far away. Just to 277 kilometers, and it's given me almost half the points as well. Hey, it was actually really nice. Good guess. Big brain. Okay, it's time for round 3. Wait, what? What? What am I supposed to find from? What? I'm so shocked. Oh my god. Where could this possibly be? Oh, okay. Wait. Wait. Have I been to this place? I have a strong feeling I've been here. It's such a woody interior. I think it should be somewhere on the hills if I'm not wrong. Because otherwise it won't really make sense. See it? These are the hills. Oh my god, I've been here. I have actually been here. Oh wow. Now I'm shocked in a very good way. I know where this is. This is in Himachal. If I go to It's a little bit off Shimla, and I'm forgetting the exact name of the place. It is a hotel. It is a Oberoi hotel for sure. But where over? Hmm? Should be somewhere here maybe. Let's just try to find hotels on this route. It will take a lot of time though, but I have been to this place, I am pretty sure. Okay, so I have to basically look for the purple ones, right? If I'm not wrong. I think this was before Kufri though. Like Kufri comes in the way, but it's not exactly Kufri. So yes, it should be somewhere here. I remember having lunch here. Oh my god. You know what I should do is, I'm not exactly sure of the exact location, so I might just put a little bit off Shimla and just hope for the best. I've been here. Oh my god. Oh, I'm crying. Okay, that was a really good one, must say. Thank God I've been there. But given the language, what could this be? It is somewhere on the coast, that much we know. Because the ghats are there. But where exactly, that I can't really say. Wish I knew the southern languages a little better. But we can find our way through this. These have to be the ghats, right? Maybe? Looks like a really interesting building though. Okay, wait, what? See, this language I'm not so sure about. Maybe what I can do is, matching the script will be a little bit too much. But I have a feeling this is Telugu for some reason. So what I can do is just go on the coast. Let's just whack it over here and get some points at least. It was Telugu, but as you can see, it was 511 kilometers away. So that just gives me 1301 points, which is not bad for this round because I had nothing to play with exactly. I think it's time for the final round. Okay. Hilly area again. Hilly area again. But where could this be? This definitely looks like another college to me. Definitely. But which college? You know, the best thing is just to find an exit gate, because you can just then wait. Oh wait, there's a board. Oh, there's a map. Wait. Campus map. But which campus is this? With a hill nearby. Okay, that just doesn't help me at all. Yes, definitely the hills. That's much for sure. But where in the hills could this be? It's somewhere in the east. That's much for sure. Like, you know, northeast maybe. This is nowhere near South India. Nowhere near South India. Oh, there's a bus. Maybe that can help. On school duty. Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT. GHY. GHY is Guwahati, right?
3 days later.
I really don't understand where it is in Guwahati. but I know I've secured more than 4500 points at least if I just put it over here. I think let's just do it, right? 3, 2, 1, point. See, it was just 7.5 kilometers, so actually I was very, very close. And I got 4903 points for this, which is very, very good. I knew it was a college campus, so it had to be easy, with the bus thing especially. So let's look at a summary. 18,500 is actually a very good score for this, because India, as you know how big it is, the 7th largest country. It is, right? Yeah, it is. I must say, even though I had 3 to 4 very good guesses, 1 and 2 were kind of bad. So overall we can say that. Anyway, thank you guys for joining. It has been a pleasure playing for you guys. If you guys want me to play more of this, please let me know in the comment section, or maybe some other format. This game is actually very good, so there are many formats in this, and I'd love to make content for you guys. So just like this video, you can comment whatever you want, and please subscribe to the channel. That'll mean a lot. So I guess I'll see you in a bit. Bye.